So this year's Galaxy Unpacked gave us a look at the new Galaxy Buds Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6. And if you want to see videos on all of these, check my channel MQuan Reviews for individual ones, or wait till the end of this video. But the big surprise was this new Galaxy Watch Ultra, a more rugged outdoor focused smartwatch from the brand. Now, first things first, yes, it looks similar to another Ultra, but when you look up close, there are some differences, and it's interesting to see how Samsung are differentiating this. It comes in a large 47mm size, which against my 7.25-inch wrists will show you just how large this looks. It's also thick, but it has some decent taper on the lug side, depending on the strap that you use. More on that in a moment. But the titanium circular case is layered between what felt to me like plastic on the sides. And they've introduced it in 3 color variations, all of which are made of titanium. So you get titanium silver, which is a nice uniform titanium look. There's also a titanium gray, which is this kind of mixture, and then a titanium white. All of these models will have a sapphire crystal protecting a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED full color, always on display, and the new 3nm chip will ensure that it can be used with Wear OS 5 and One UI 6, and it felt nice and smooth to use. Now underneath, it will have the Samsung Bioactive sensors with essentially more LEDs for more consistent and accurate reading of vitals, including body temperature sensor alongside the heart rate and more. Now this will also be able to go deeper than the standard Watch 7 with a 10 ATM reading. So that means that if you want to take this swimming or diving, this is the watch to consider. Now the strap options are interesting. You've got colored rubbered ones and fabric options as well. But what do you guys think? Are you excited, and are you planning on getting one of these models? And if so, which one? Leave your comment below, and now go check out this other video from the Galaxy Unpacked highlights. I'll see you there. Oh, and follow me on Instagram to see more from Galaxy Unpacked and exclusives.